Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show. We're so happy you're here today.
Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us. We hope you're having a wonderful day.
Today, we're talking about something we all do, going to a restaurant.
That's right. Eating at a restaurant is fun, but speaking English there can feel a little scary.
Don't worry, we'll practice together, one step at a time.
Use simple English. Speak slowly. That's enough to start.
By the end of today's episode, you'll know many useful restaurant expressions.
You'll also hear natural conversations and practice speaking with us.
So find a comfortable place, relax, and let's begin.
Have you ever walked into a restaurant and felt nervous?
I have.
Really?
Oh, yes. Sometimes I knew what I wanted to eat, but I didn't know how to say it in English.
I think many English learners feel the same way.
The good news is this. You don't need difficult English.
Exactly. A few simple sentences can help you a lot.
Today, we'll use easy English that you can actually use.
Maybe at lunch tomorrow.
Or maybe tonight.
Like and subscribe.
Before we begin, may we ask a small favor?
If you enjoy learning English with real conversations like this, please like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe.
It helps us make more free English lessons for learners all around the world.
Thank you so much.
Imagine this. You're walking to your favorite restaurant. You're hungry. The food smells amazing, but the waiter speaks English.
What do you say? Don't worry, we'll practice together, one step at a time. Here's our first useful expression. I'd like a table for two.
We say this when we arrive at the restaurant.
Listen again. I'd like a table for two.
One more time. I'd like a table for two.
Now it's your turn. Say it aloud. Both. I'd like a table for two.
Great job.
Mini conversation. Hello. I'd like a table for two.
Certainly. Right this way.
Thank you. Listening practice.
Listen carefully. I'd like a table for two. I'd like a table for four. I'd like a window seat. Thank you very much.
Did you understand all four? Wonderful. Now let's learn another expression. Can I see the menu?
Very useful. Sometimes the menu isn't on the table, so you can ask, can I see the menu?
Listen carefully. Can I see the menu?
Again, can I see the menu?
Your turn. Both. Can I see the menu?
Let's learn a few easy restaurant words. Menu, table, chair, waiter, customer, water, soup, rice, chicken, salad, dessert, bill.
Let's use them in simple sentences. The menu looks good. The table is clean. The soup is hot. The salad is fresh. The bill is ready.
Nice. Simple English is powerful.
Last weekend, I visited a small restaurant. It wasn't very big, but it was clean and quiet. The waiter smiled and said, "Welcome." I smiled back. I said, "I'd like a table for two." He showed me a nice table near the window. Then I asked, "Can I see the menu?" Everything was easy because I used simple English.
I love that story. You didn't use difficult words.
Exactly. Simple English works.
Repeat after us. I'd like a table for two. Pause. Can I see the menu? Pause. Thank you. Pause. You're welcome. Pause. Excuse me. Pause. Very nice.
Now you're ready to order food. Say this, I'd like to order.
Easy. Natural. Very common.
Listen, I'd like to order.
Again, I'd like to order.
Now you. Pause. Excellent. Role play.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like to order.
What would you like?
I'd like a chicken sandwich.
Anything to drink?
Water, please.
Great choice.
Useful expression. Water, please.
Coffee, please.
Tea, please.
Juice, please.
Repeat after us. Water, please. Coffee, please. Tea, please. Juice, please.
Let's have a little fun. What's your favorite restaurant food? Pizza, burger, rice, pasta, soup?
I'm choosing a burger today.
I'm choosing pasta.
Tell us your favorite later in the comments. Sometimes learners say, I want chicken. People will understand you, but here's a more polite way.
I'd like the chicken, please.
Let's practice. I want chicken. Now, the polite version. I'd like the chicken, please.
One more time. I'd like the chicken, please. Excellent.
Listening challenge.
Listen carefully. Which drink did I order? I'd like orange juice, please.
Did you hear it? Yes, orange juice. Great listening. Listen, pause, repeat exactly. I'd like a table for two. Pause. Can I see the menu? Pause. I'd like to order. Pause. Water, please. Pause. Thank you very much. Pause. Wonderful.
Here's something important. Don't speak too fast. Take your time. People don't expect perfect English. They just want to understand you.
Confidence is more important than perfection. Speak slowly, smile, and use simple sentences. You're doing great.
Let's review today's expressions. I'd like a table for two. Can I see the menu? I'd like to order. Water, please. Thank you. Excuse me.
Excellent. You've already learned several useful expressions that people use every day in restaurants.
In part 2, we'll go even further. We'll order complete meals, ask about the menu, learn how to handle real restaurant situations, and practice longer conversations that sound natural.
You'll also learn how to ask for recommendations, order drinks and desserts, make polite changes to your order, and respond confidently to common questions from the waiter.
So grab a drink, relax for a moment, and come back for part 2. We're just getting started, and there's so much more to practice together.
Welcome back. We're so glad you're here with us again.
You're doing an amazing job. Every conversation you practice makes your English stronger.
That's right. Remember, don't rush. Speak slowly, smile, and enjoy the conversation.
Exactly. In this part, we'll practice more real-life restaurant situations that happen every day.
Quick review. Before we continue, let's review a few expressions from Part 2A.
Listen carefully and repeat after us. Take your time. What do you recommend?
I'll have the chicken burger.
That sounds delicious.
I'll try that. Excellent. Daily situation. Eating with friends. Imagine you're having lunch with two friends at a nice restaurant. Everyone has a menu. Everyone is talking. The waiter is coming to your table.
I'm so hungry. Everything looks delicious.
I know. I can't decide.
What are you going to order?
I'll have the grilled chicken with rice. How about you?
I'll have the pasta. I've heard it's really good.
Good choice. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'll have fresh orange juice. What about you?
Just water, please.
Simple conversations like this happen every day. The more you practice, the more natural they'll feel.
Useful expression. Could I have? Sometimes you need something after you order. Maybe more water. Maybe another spoon. Maybe a napkin. A very polite way to ask is, could I have?
Listen carefully. Could I have some water, please?
Could I have another napkin?
Could I have a spoon, please?
Could I have the menu again?
Great. Now repeat after us. Could I have some water, please? Could I have another napkin? Could I have a spoon, please?
Excellent. Restaurant role play.
Excuse me, is everything okay?
Yes, everything is wonderful. Thank you.
Would you like anything else?
Yes, please. Could I have some more water?
Of course. Anything else?
Could I have another fork?
Certainly. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Common mistake. Here's a mistake many learners make. Sometimes they say only water. People will understand, but it can sound a little direct.
A more polite way is, could I have some water, please? Or, water, please.
Let's practice together. Water. Now the polite version. Water, please. Could I have some water, please? Very nice. Fun restaurant moment.
Have you ever looked at someone else's food and thought, oh, that looks better than mine?
Yes, then you secretly wish you ordered the same thing.
It happens all the time.
Next time, you can smile and say, that looks delicious. It's a nice compliment.
And who knows, maybe you'll order it next time.
Listening practice. Listen carefully. What did I ask for? Could I have another glass of water, please? Did you hear it? That's right, another glass of water. Excellent listening. Mini quiz.
Let's see what you remember. Question 1. You need another napkin. What can you say? Excellent. Could I have another napkin? Question 2. Your friend asks, what are you going to order? How can you answer? Great! I'll have the pasta. Question 3. The waiter says, would you like anything else? What could you say? Perfect! Yes, please. Could I have some more water? Wonderful.
Shadowing practice. Now let's practice together. Listen, pause, repeat exactly. Could I have some water, please? Everything is wonderful. I'll have the pasta. That looks delicious. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. Fantastic.
Confidence tip. Here's today's confidence tip. If you forget a word, don't stop talking. Use simple words you already know. You don't need a perfect sentence. You just need a clear message.
Exactly. For example, if you don't know the name of a dish, you can point to the menu and say, I'll have this one, please. That's natural. That's easy, and people will understand you.
Mini story. Last weekend, my younger brother wanted to practice his English, so we went to a small cafe. Before we went inside, he practiced 3 simple sentences. I'll have a sandwich. Could I have some water, please? Thank you. When the waiter came, he smiled and spoke slowly. The waiter smiled back and understood everything. After we finished eating, my brother looked at me and said, I was nervous before, but now I feel much better. I told him, that's because you practiced.
I love that story. Confidence doesn't come first. Practice comes first. Confidence follows. Vocabulary review. Let's review today's useful words. Napkin, fork, spoon, glass, water, juice, chicken, pasta, delicious, popular, favorite, special.
Now let's hear them in simple sentences. The pasta is delicious. Could I have another spoon? The juice is fresh. The chicken is my favorite. Today's special looks great. Excellent.
Speaking practice. Repeat after us one last time. Could I have some water, please? Everything is wonderful. I'll have the pasta. That looks delicious. Enjoy your meal. Great job. Review before part 3.
Look at how much you've learned. You can ask for a table. You can ask for the menu. You can order food. You can ask for recommendations. You can request extra items politely. And you can have natural conversations with a waiter. That's wonderful progress.
Keep repeating these expressions every day. The more you use them, the more natural they will become. Even 5 to 10 minutes of daily practice can make a big difference.